Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming to the show. I'm so happy you could be here today. I have a really easy Christmas project for us to do today. I've seen people make this outdoor garland and they just use a pool noodle and garland and some ornaments and then you hot glue it down. Does not seem that hard, so I really want to give this a shot. There's a contest at my apartment that if you decorate your patio for, whatever season, if you win first place, they'll knock off some rent money. I won second place for 2 seasons and I really want to get that first place. So I'm hoping this will help me. If you guys want to join in and do this also, I would love to see what you guys come up with. So I'm going to show you how to do it and let's dive in. For this project, we're going to start with a pool noodle, garland, and your glue gun. Okay? So we're just going to start by wrapping the garland around the pool noodle, and we're going to hot glue it down. I'm not gonna lie, I am a little nervous about how this is gonna turn out. I've never done it before, so of course I worry. So as you can see, this is the end of, man, that is hot as shit. Ooh, buddy. This is the end of the first string of garland that I have. I have 2 more. They only had 3 in the store. But this is 15 feet. So 15 feet, the way I did it, which I wrapped it relatively tightly, will get you a little over halfway. And I will say this is taking me longer than I thought it would. I think I've been working on this for about 20 minutes. So keep that in mind. This is not going to be a quick one. All right, so that's gonna be the last piece. And I did use almost all of 2 of the 15-foot garlands. Okay, so there's the one end. And the other end. I did use a lot of glue and kind of a lot of the Garland, but I think it looks decent. And so the next part is going to be adding ornaments on one side, because the other side is going to go up against the house or maybe a window, I don't know, but it's going to go up against something. Okay, so I'll come back here in just a second and we'll start on those ornaments. You guys, that's right, it's animal fact time. So this one is about skunks. Okay, I don't know where you guys live, but where I live, there are skunks, and man, do they stink when they spray. If you have ever smelled one, you know what I'm talking about. But did you know this? Did you know that the smell of a skunk can be detected by a human up to 3.5 miles away? I didn't know it was that far. I thought it was like maybe a mile, but 3.5 miles, man, that's a strong ass stench. Also, if you are sprayed by a skunk, it can cause skin irritation, and you could also go temporarily blind. That's pretty potent. I don't know what's in that stuff, but damn, nature, you mean. All right, these are the ornaments that I have, and then I also have some silver ones. These are from the Dollar Tree, and they came in a pack of 7, which is kind of weird to me, but you know, whatever. So I'm going to, let's see, what do you think? I think I'm gonna do like one, then another, then another, then another, you know what I mean? Like kind of crisscross, because then I also have the silver, and then I have some other stuff to do like a filler. So, you know, I'm just gonna scatter them. Also, I have more of these ornaments. I think I bought 3 packs of red and 3 packs of silver, because I don't know how many I'm gonna need. And I want to do 2 of these Garland deals, because I want to put one on each side of one of my doors. So here's the silver that I was talking about. I have these little red glitter balls and these white and silver ones. I got them from the Dollar Tree, and this had gold with it, but I took the gold out because it doesn't match this. So I just want to kind of scatter them throughout just so that it, you know, kind of fills it a little bit. All right, I've got a lot of the red part done. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add the white and the silver. Okay, I think that's good. I like the way it looks. So I think I'm gonna call it on this one and be done with it. And I hope you guys had fun. I hope you learned something. I would love to see if you guys do something like this for yourself. I mean, you could even wrap some lights around there if you wanted to, but I do not want to at this point because I'm already gonna have enough lights out there when I'm done. So anyways, thank you guys so much for coming to the show. Go out there and have a wonderful, wonderful day.